What are we cooking today, Joyce?
We're making this fish congee. You leave the skin on. I show you why. You do a butterfly. Like the first piece, you go through, and the second piece, you cut it all the way through. See that? Right?
Oh, it holds it together?
Yeah, holds it together. Bone doesn't want to come out. This is not like a salmon bone. You can just pull it out. Just leave it there. You know, usually Chinese people will have no problem eating it. The Colvin is a different story. Okay? I'm just going to cut this. You can come back. The congee look a little thick. I'm going to put a little water to it. Sometimes you have to adjust. You should put like hot water, but so that's the consistency. To marinate this. That's a dash of
liquid amino.
I'm not even putting dark soy because I want the congee to be light. And a little dash of oil.
How long do you marinate for?
Doesn't need to be long. And this fish takes no time to cook. It's already butterfly and thin.
Okay.
It's going to be pretty boiled, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then you done again.
You cover it?
No, it like that. It will be done like very quickly. You can see it change color, white, and it's done. This is how easy it is. And people eat this for breakfast.
Really?
Yeah.
It's kind of like an oatmeal.
People eat a lot of congee for breakfast. I didn't put any salt in the congee. I should put little salt.
You can add that later.
Yeah, like this is pretty much done. It changed color, see? You see it, but see, it really looks like a butterfly, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm going to put some scallions, my favorite.
At least it's colorful, Joyce.
Yeah. Chinese people have like our sashimi, but you will love it. You can, because there's a lot of pickle in it.
That's it?
That's it. I'm going to put a little salt. You can always put it even at the table. See that? It's like a butterfly. A little bit of congee. You're eating congee, you're not eating fish. Scallion on top of it. Okay, picture time.